In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a PowerPoint background transparent in 5 minutes. Let's dive in. First, we need to start with the obvious yet crucial step, opening Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. Whether you're crafting a new presentation from scratch or fine-tuning an existing one, the process of changing the background to a transparent one begins right here. After you've launched PowerPoint, the next step is to open the specific file you want to work on. It could be a presentation you've been working hard on for the past few days, or a standard template you've decided needs a bit of customization to truly stand out. Whatever the case, navigate through your files, select the one you need and open it up. With your chosen PowerPoint file now open, move your cursor over to the slide where you wish to adjust the background. It's very important to make sure you're editing the correct slide, as these changes will only apply to the slide you're actively working on. To begin the process of making the background transparent, gently right-click on the page. This action will display a contextual menu filled with various options, but the one we're interested in is somewhat hidden. Look for the option labelled Format Background. This is where the magic starts to happen. By selecting this option, you unveil PowerPoint's background customization features, which are robust and capable of transforming the look and feel of your presentation with just a few clicks. Within the Format Background pane, you will see several choices. To achieve a transparent background, select Picture or Texture Fill. This option is exactly what it sounds like. It allows you to fill your PowerPoint slides background with either a picture or a texture. For our purposes, the texture or the picture isn't what we are focusing on, but rather the ability to adjust its transparency. After selecting Picture or Texture Fill, you'll notice there are various settings to play around with, but our main focus is the Transparency slider. This little tool is incredibly powerful and directly influences how transparent your background will be. By adjusting the slider, you're essentially controlling how much of the background you want visible through any texture or picture you've chosen. Moving the slider to the right increases transparency, making your background more see-through, while moving it to the left decreases it. And that's essentially it. The process of making a PowerPoint background transparent is not only straightforward, but also quick, requiring just a few clicks and adjustments. However, establishing the perfect level of transparency might require some experimentation. Don't hesitate to play around with the slider until you find that sweet spot where your background enhances your presentation without overpowering it. Remember, a PowerPoint presentation is a powerful communication tool. Making your background transparent can help to emphasize your content, making it stand out more to your audience. This technique can be particularly useful when you want to overlay your slides on top of a video during a presentation, or if you're aiming to create a more branded experience with a subtle logo or watermark in the background. Also, while working with backgrounds, keep in mind the contrast and readability of your text. A transparent background should not only complement but also enhance the visibility of the text or graphics it overlays. Always preview your slides in slideshow mode to get a better idea of how they'll look to your audience. Adjustments can always be made to ensure your message is clear and your design is visually appealing. That wraps up our quick guide on making a PowerPoint background transparent. This simple yet effective technique can enhance your presentation, giving it a professional touch that can set it apart. Remember, PowerPoint is a versatile tool, and mastering small tricks like this can significantly improve the impact of your presentations. Thank you for watching. I encourage you to experiment with this feature in your future presentations and see just how much of a difference it can make. Happy presenting!